The way AWS is struggling with generative AI really makes you wonder that how the time change. AWS is still a cloud pioneer, a cloud leader, especially when it comes to the public cloud. But now the world is all getting towards generative AI, and AWS is nowhere to be seen. Interestingly enough, AWS has a long time artificial intelligence or machine learning service called as AWS SageMaker, but that is like from the last century. Other companies, and including the big cloud players like Microsoft, Google, have come a long way, and on daily basis they are creating new models, they are launching new services, and they are doing the acquisitions. But AWS on the other side is either clinging to AWS SageMaker and trying to sort of customize or uplift that SageMaker to the new generative AI, or they are just relying on AWS Bedrock. AWS Bedrock is sort of a new generative AI service from AWS, which simply provides you an API interface to a lot of large language models. A very good service. I'm not really undermining AWS Bedrock, but still, it is not really up to the mark. Okay, enough with the AWS bashing. Now, what I want to tell you that AWS is now trying to beat both Google and Microsoft, OpenAI, and a lot of other players by doing something big. And by doing something big, they have started a new project which they have named Olympus AI. I'm not sure if that is the code name of that project or if it is a real project or it will be something else. But a lot of news companies like Reuters and various other blogs have started reporting that AWS is working on this new technology where the aim is to very ambitious that they want to build a large language model and they are naming it Olympus. They're also saying that this Olympus will have 2 trillion parameters, which will of course make it one of the largest models being trained. And the news is, and it's not confirmed, that as we speak, AWS or Amazon is training that Olympus model, and that will be ready by end of this year or maybe early next year. So 2 trillion parameter is huge. Just to give you a comparison, the most celebrated model GPT-4 has only 1 trillion parameter. So Olympus has double the size of it. Now, this project is not yet public again, and AWS has declined to comment on it in the press. Now, this team, which is doing creating this Olympus, is led by Rohit Prasad, who is former head of Alexa, and Rohit directly now reports to Andy Jassy, who is the CEO of Amazon. Also, Prasad is now head scientist of AGI or Artificial General Intelligence at Amazon, and he has put in a really good team. And the team is working on training models and also trying to bring Amazon up to speed with the new technology as soon as possible. Amazon already has some smallish models Titan, which are not bad, but still they have a long way to go. And as you might know that through AWS Bedrock, you can access a lot of other models like Anthropic and AI 21 Labs, but still Amazon really needs to lift their game when it comes to generative AI, as we already know, because the Titan models they are good and they are designed to help customers create apps that give ChatGPT like text answers or summarize long tracts of text, but they are not that much available. And also, they sometimes they suffer from hallucinations and the quality is not that good. And when you compare these models to other open source models like Mistral or Dolphin and even Llamas, you know Titan really doesn't meet and cut to the chase. So I believe that is where AWS is really gearing up to come up with Olympus, and I believe once Olympus is out, that will get integrated into a lot of other services, and we might get um, to use it just like we use GPT-4. I hope that AWS makes it as part of their cloud services because that will be really easy to use then and practice with it. So really looking forward to Olympus by AWS. So let's see, as soon as it is released, I'll be making another video on it. Thank you very much. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks.